This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to add a glow effect in Canva. So I'm right here on a random Canva project. I just have this sort of default presentation theme right here. So we can add a glow effect to an image, and we can also add glow effect to text right here. So let's select an image. Now all we need to do is come up to the very top where it says edit. We click on edit, and now we are going to look for effects and shadows. It's about halfway down. Currently it has a sort of football image right here. So we click on that one, and now you'll quickly see just below the none we do have glow right here, and that is the glow effect. So we can change the size, we can make the glow more obvious, we can change the blur amount as well there. We can also change the glow color, so you see there's different options. You can have like a red color. Obviously you can have your blues and whatever you want to have right there. We can also change the actual intensity of the glow, as you can see there. So plenty of options we've got there. If we want to do text, so here's a heading which says minimalism, so slightly different. Rather than looking for the edit at the top, once we've highlighted the text we want to do the effect with, we come up to the very top to the effects panel, click on effects, and then we have a whole bunch of different effects here. So we've got this like neon glow, we've got kind of a glitch glow. We've got this lift here as well, so you can see the different options. That's the lift. Shadows is like that. You see the neon one right there. We can change the intensity again, and of course we can change the text color as well. That will alter how that actually looks. But that is how you do the glow effect with images and text in Canva. Hopefully you found this short video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.